sound test of the Suzuki Sirius fake Harp 14 hauler. Do a quick Korg tuner test. 5+ dead on. All within acceptable range. I've done the whole Harp. It is ready. Let's go ahead and just do a demo here. You can see the slide action is very nice now that the bumpers have been replaced or instrument's been totally rebuilt. Many customizations. It has a completely different sound to a real Suzuki Sirius, but actually I like it better. Now, this completes customization of this instrument, and the next job is to make a slider. And I will walk you through that entire process as well. So it's really, it was a real shock to find out it was a fake. But it's a well-made fake, and when customized, it's very airtight, more airtight than a stock Harp would be, and quite nice. So I think it's worked out well.